Every time we keep checking radar, yet there is still some rainfall, but it is one moving further east and starting to break apart even more. Our scattered showers that we've seen compared to the top of the hour to about a quarter to the 12:15 time frame, you are going to find still a few of those scattered showers. So we just have those moving all the way through Sandusky County east of Fremont. So in Sandusky itself, going to start to see those rain showers become a little more widespread and just a touch heavier. But we do have a lighter rain in these showers, and then we're done. You can see further west, not a lot going on. So if you've already seen the rain, you are going to start clearing out, and then we will be done for quite a while as far as the wet weather. The hour-by-hour forecast, you are going to see those scattered showers move on out. Still going to have the cooler air from the north, so humidity not going to be as much of an issue for us as it has been the last couple of days. But even the air temperature itself, right now we're in the 60s. Hopefully you can get at least back into those 70s, but we could use a little bit of sun to do it. So hopefully we can break out some sun this afternoon. Overnight, we won't have much as far as cloud cover, so have your sunglasses ready to go for the final commute of the work week. Plenty of sun for a good Friday feeling, and we don't have any rain chances though for Friday, and even as we get a little bit closer to that weekend. But I'm sure you've kind of felt that sticky feeling outside, but thankfully things are going to be more comfortable for us. Already we're feeling it, and even Friday, Saturday, and Sunday for the weekend going to be very comfortable if you have plans to be outside in all the sun that we have coming your way. Our temperatures right now, those are sitting into the low to mid 60s. We have 61 in Bowling Green right now. We have 65 in Wauseon and 66 in Upper Sandusky. Marblehead currently checking in right at the 60. For your weekend, however, things do warm up a little bit. Not only do we have the dry weather, but temperatures in the mid 70s, just to 80 degrees by Sunday, and low humidity. This is the forecast you've been asking for. The dry weather will end as we get back into the work week. Temperatures then also going to be holding into those 80s, but just for a little bit. We'll see quite a few 70s for next week, as it'll be a more cooler but comfortable start to June. We also have, though, quite a bit of wet weather in the forecast, so just keep those umbrellas ready to go, maybe the rain jackets as well. But I just can't even get past that weekend.